What's for dinner? 5 lazy keto ideas from Food Lion. Special thank you to Food Lion for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you check out their information down in the description link below. I've got for you 5 lazy keto dinners. The first one's going to be a London broil. You can get amazing fresh meat, fresh produce from Food Lion, and I like it because they have really, really clean section that you can get your meat from, including their chicken thighs or chicken wings. They have chicken wings and actually a chicken wing bar there that you can totally take home if you've got just the salt and pepper bone-in wings. Or, of course, you can make chicken thighs at home. But my little boy wanted those wings, and I did too, for a great low-carb and lazy keto option to have for what's for dinner tonight. And it's going to be wings from the hot bar from Food Lion. The next item we're going to have is going to be for our dinner is going to be breakfast for dinner. That we've got the cage-free brown eggs, and also just grab some of the Jimmy Dean sausage. That may be more of a dirty keto, lazy keto item in it, but we absolutely love it, and it's a great way to get high-fat moderate protein in, which is, of course, lazy keto. The next thing that we've got for our what's for dinner is going to be their delicious Nature's Promise meat that they have. It's going to be that New York strip steak. Oh, so amazing, and the price is right, too, because there was a big sale going on with meat. In addition, fresh produce, I ended up snagging some of their mushrooms. Of course, we love organic, but do the best you can afford. I paired it with the low-carb mushrooms with the Raos sauce, which the price was right on this as well, because of the low-sugar, low-carb count with Raos. And then I paired it with some of their grass-fed meat that they have. Their ground beef that they have, the organic Nature's Promise as well. So again, super 5 easy what's for dinner items that you can have in a jiffy, in a snap. If you're super busy mom like I am, or super busy schedule, make sure you click like and check out Food Lion down in the description below. See you next time for What's for Dinner Keto Style.